Hello beautiful souls and welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we are going to do a short little sequence to help reduce stress and anxiety. So let's start the class by sitting cross-legged. So sitting in a comfortable position, roll your shoulders back a couple of times. Rolling them back, letting go of any tension you may be holding on to in your upper back and shoulders. And let's just roll the shoulders forward. And then back to center. Let's take the head down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Relax your shoulders. Back to the center, turn your head to one side, drop the chin down slightly. Back to center, turn your head the other side, dropping the chin down slightly. And again. Beautiful. Always staying connected to your breath. Exhale, bringing the head down. Let's just take little tiny circles. Little half tiny circles. And then half circles upwards. Beautiful. Inhale, bring the hands up. Let's grab hold of the elbows and just bring the body over to one side, keeping the buttocks on the mat. And change sides. One more time. Inhale, lift up. Bring the elbows over to one side. And then back up to the other side. Back to the center. Extend those arms, little pinkies facing each other. Drop the shoulders down. Opposite hand on opposite knee. Bring that back hand right near your spine. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist. Hands back up and change sides. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist. Beautiful. Now from there, we're going to come onto our knees nice and wide, toes touching, and we're going to melt it down into child's pose. Surrendering on the mat. Taking a nice big exhale and a nice big inhale. Giving yourself permission to be here just for a few minutes of the day to connect to your body, to connect to your mind, and to connect with whatever's happening in your life. And just give yourself permission to leave it outside the mat just for a few minutes of the day. And then coming back onto your hands and knees. This time we're going to bring the knees together, keeping the hips up. We're going to melt the heart down. Melting the heart down. We're opening up the shoulders. So there's a couple of places we can hold on to stress. Our upper back, shoulders, lower back, hips. And we're just opening those areas up. Allowing oxygen into those areas, taking our breath, taking our attention there. And then coming back onto all fours. So hands wider than the shoulders, palms planted firmly on the mat. Knees hip distance apart. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. Extend the back leg. Take it up. Tuck the knee into your forehead. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, tuck it in. One more time. Inhale, lift up. And bringing it back down. Let's do the other side. Inhale, extend. Exhale, tuck it in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, tuck it in. One more time. Inhale, extend. Exhale, tuck it in. And what we want to do is stay connected to the breath with all the movements we're doing in this little short sequence. And then we're going to tuck the knees in and lift those knees up. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. And this time we're going to tuck those knees in, coming into a downward facing dog. And we're just walking it out, left, right, left, right. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale through the mouth and releasing any tension you may be holding on to. And then bend the knees. Have the spine nice and straight, creating space in between each and every vertebra. And then slowly extend those knees and bring the heels down onto the mat. Beautiful. We're going to come into a high plank. Bend the knees and then back into the downward facing dog. High plank. Bend the knees. Downward facing dog. One more time. High plank. Bend the knees. Downward facing dog. Lean forward onto your hands. Step your right foot forward. Inhale. Lift up those arms. Lifting up those arms. Tucking the bottom ribs in. Abs engaged. And then we're opening it up into a warrior. Shoulders nice. Arms nice and long. Beautiful. Reverse the warrior. Front palm facing up. Reach forward. Coming up. That's it. Lengthening. Creating space in your ribs. Side angle. Bring the hand over your head. Touch down. Left hand. Right hand up. Bring the front hand in front of the right foot. Inhale, lift up the left. Extend the leg into triangle. Really opening up the chest. Coming up. Both feet facing the front. Shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come reach towards me. Bring the hands down on the mat. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come down. Coming down, leaning forward onto your toes. Breathing in, breathing out. We're walking our hands back to the back of the room. We're pivoting the left foot, bending the knee into the warrior. We're going to reverse the warrior. Palm facing up, reach forward, coming up. Side angle, elbow on the knee. Reach that hand up over your head. Touch down, right hand, left hand up. Bringing that hand in front into a triangle. Coming back up, both feet facing the front, shoulders back. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, reach towards me. That's it. Beautiful. Place the hands on the mat. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, coming down. Letting the fresh blood go to your forehead, flushing out those brain cells, flushing out your complexion. Then walking your hands to the front of the room, framing the foot, coming back into downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to lift up the right leg. Bend the knee, open up the hip. And we're taking that right foot to the left hand. Extend the back leg. The pigeon. Coming down on your elbows. And just breathe here. Inhaling, exhaling. If you want to take this deeper, just rotate your hip towards your heel. Let's take 3 more deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Coming back. Onto your hands. Tuck the back toe under. come back into downward facing dog. Let's lift up the left leg, bend the knee, open up that hip, and take that left foot to the right hand. Extend the back leg, lengthen your spine, come down, and again, breathing it out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. 3 more breaths, inhaling. Exhaling, beautiful. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling, bringing the hands back onto the mat, tucking the back toe under. Coming on to downward facing dog. And then bring the knees down. Surrender into child's pose. Then we're going to come up to sitting. Coming up to sitting. Sitting cross-legged. Take the shoulders back, roll them out. And forward. Come back to center, turn your head. Little tiny circles. Little tiny circles upwards. And then back to the center. Take a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Pause. And as you sit here in this stillness, think of 3 things that you are grateful for today. Inhale each one of those things into your body. Exhale gratitude out into the universe. Inhaling. Exhaling. Beautiful. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. And then slowly, whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. I thank you for your time and allowing me into your space. If you like this class, please don't forget to subscribe for more classes in the future. I look forward to sharing with you next time. Thanks for watching.